Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to find the Hostinger builder option in the Hostinger website. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And from this website's page, you will see all the available web hosting plans on your account and also the available websites under each hosting plan. And next to your hosting plan, you will see this add website button. Click on it and you will see or you will find the Hostinger website builder option. Click on it. You will visit this page. Now you can create your new Hostinger AI or your Hostinger website, and you can use AI to create your new website. Just fill in your brand name and also describe your website and hit create a website. You can also use pre-made templates to build your new website. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger Website Builder Masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. To build your new website. These are the available templates. Click on select templates. Here you can personalize text and images faster with AI, or use this template as it is, or which means the original template. Click on use original template. And this is how to find the Hostinger builder option in Hostinger website, and also how to create your website using pre-made templates. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.